Hey, this is Crimson501, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can null practically any version of WOWONDER. This is more to show my technique, how I typically do it. So first thing I normally do is I'll go into a program that's called MELD, M-E-L-D, which is it's simply a diff tool. You can see differences between two files, and I'll open the previous version because I've been doing this for every version since like really early, like 1.4 or something. So I'll go to the file 2.3, which is the last version, the script, and I'll go to the newer version, which in this case is 2.3.1, and I'll compare them. I'm using the new and modified options, no point in seeing what's the same. And over here on the right is going to be the 2.3.1, so this would be a file that's been changed. Nothing really out of the ordinary. Didn't mean to click that. All these PHTML files are basically mostly HTML with a little bit of PHP mixed in. Yeah, I don't really see anything. Okay, so I'll come into Visual Studio Code. That's what I use for practically all my code editing. And I will go to this script, the update.php script. And the only thing I'll have to change in here is this. Change it to say where people can contact me to inform me of new updates. Sometimes I get really busy. I mean really busy. I just get swamped sometimes, and I just cannot do anything but work. So this is kind of a hobby, but I try to devote as much time to it as I can. Alright, what I'll typically do to null this, I will make sure that the file is basically the same, which in this case it is. I'll go ahead and fix this. Is purchase code, where's that at? Is purchase code. I'll just say return true right here. Oops. And because I'm lazy. And I'll change. Where's the button at? Button. I remove the disabled by default because I'll normally put a value in here. Where's the input? Placeholder, enter anything. Enter anything here. And alright. Wait. I cut out something, I think. Yeah, I don't know what I did. What did I do? Oh, I cut out all this stuff. There you go. And now we just gotta null the word checks for the purchase code. But what I was saying, what I typically do, I'll go and get an older version that I made. I should make myself I do actually have a guide. So I typically release stuff on two websites. I would release stuff on scriptsnull.nl right here. I'll release stuff here, and I'll also release stuff on Best Black Forum. So here, let me see how to null. How to null WOWONDER. My tutorial comes up first. I need to update it though. Yeah, I've got it out. It's outdated. I don't know if I even have the update guide tutorial. Yeah, this even has how to remove the back door on it. That's a long time ago. What I'll do, I'll just get my version from here, my last version, 11. And we'll look and see what I did. I need to make a tutorial, like I said, an updated one. Okay, so looks like I completely remove this function, I think. Check. Code equals check underscore purchased. Okay, so that's completely gone. And looks like about it. Alright, I'll test it out now in Champ. I have to open my location. htdocs. If anybody's wondering, the reason I haven't been doing a lot on a lot of sites right now is because I've been working with a client to finish an app. I got it finished yesterday. I worked all weekend long. I feel like I went crazy trying to finish this app. And I got it done late last night. So got up about an hour ago. I slept really late and I feel a lot better today. So hopefully I'll be able to get CodeNulls set up, CodeNulls.com. I've got CodeNulls, cloud.codenulls.com set up. That's where I'm hosting all my files right now. It's a modified Nextcloud script. Nextcloud is really good. It's just, it's so lightweight and it's open source and it's got a really good code base. It's really easy to work with. I'm working on custom mobile apps for my cloud right now. And I'm also working on something I'm going to use instead of Discord because I don't want my Discord to get taken down like a lot of other hacking forums have had their Discord taken down. I'm using the open source Rocket chat script. It's rocket.chat if you're looking on the internet. And I'm working on a custom desktop app for it that's going to have notifications, push notifications, all that good stuff. So really hopefully drive good user engagement. And I want to make sort of a social site for the hacking and nulling community. That's my goal. But my biggest thing with all this is that it's going to be self-sufficient. I'm not going to have to throw a bunch of money at it. I'm not opposed to spending some money in the beginning, but I want it to not necessarily make money, but just stay afloat on its own. Because I know ScriptsNull, I'm a moderator on that in that community, and I know that Miko, who's the owner of that community, he personally told me that he's spent thousands of dollars out of his own pocket just this year. Like many thousands of dollars. I think he's done a phenomenal job, but they've got a real problem with spam. So hopefully figure out a way to combat against that. Alright, so there's the backup. And let me just copy this in here. Hopefully that's copying. Yeah, update.php. We'll go, let me go incognito. Alright, so we'll go localhost. Localhost refused to connect. Oh, I didn't start my local server yet. That would explain it. There you go. Okay, whatever you want to enter is good with me. Enter anything here, don't necessarily have to. Undefined. Alright, so let me fix this. So when do we have an alert? Alright, alert data.error. Okay, so here's where it's checking it. So else say data.error if status code is that. So all we should have to do is remove this if statement. Looks like we're only breaking one function by doing this, hopefully. Don't have to enter anything, undefined, still. Oh, I'm stupid. This is in the htdocs folder, and I'm editing it there. Let's go into good old Sublime Text. Oh yeah, as you probably see up here, images.codenulls.com. I'm thinking about doing an image hosting site. Maybe not, because I know that's going to be a real problem, pornography and all that stuff. So right now it's private. I'm just using it for cloud.codenulls, but maybe in the future I'll open it to the public. All right, let's see if this fixed it. Yes, it fixed it. Finished. All right, well there's the null update script. Hopefully the site is on. Hopefully the site's on version 2.3.1. Let's check it out here. Yep, 2.3.1. Change logs. So apparently he forgot to do this. But it's updated right here. So wait. I didn't upload this. Okay, I see what's wrong. I see what's wrong. Let me just go ahead and upload this. Don't want to cut it. Replace. Boom. Just like that. Alright, so let's null the main script now. So we made some changes in the last version with the apps. I haven't seen any other scripts that are nulled that have the apps nulled as well. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys how to null this. The first thing we want to do is obviously the install. It's fairly straightforward. My guide actually works for this. So I may pull that up. Let me do that. Alright, scroll up here. Go to install /index.php and remove lines 9 through 40. Alright, 9 through 40. Still exactly right. Remove this white space. Okay. PHP, okay, next remove lines 35 through 42, which is 35 through 42, still right. Maybe I was, yeah, I'll leave that space there. 91 through 96. Oh, I need to fix this so it's a bit more obvious. I need to say go equals 1 before if empty server errors. Okay. Alright, $go equals 1. And make if empty server errors say if go equals 1. Okay. If go. What's wrong with me today? $go equals 1. Okay. 91 through 96. If $query. That's not in the same place. Alright, P2. And this if statement. I think it's a list statement. Yeah, $can, yeah, that's it. Okay, remove all that and say $can equals variable can equals 1 above the query. Okay. Fairly straightforward. And all right, app null. This is one thing that needs to be updated. So what I did to find this is I said searched Android. There's not a ton of stuff. Actually, there is a ton of stuff. Wait, I'm searching everything. I only want to search a certain directory. So let me just go. I think I did this. I think I just opened. See, I'm searching all this stuff. I just want to search this folder. So we'll say Android. Yeah, 677 results, not too bad. Okay, and it was the first thing. Decode Android V. So what he did, he base64 encoded this. So that means, I think it was still all the same, but about to find out. AAA for this one, and we'll go to the SQL file and we'll fill this stuff in. Let me make an edit so that won't close. All right, and this was Android, this was footer background. All right, footer background. Don't want that. AAA. Then we got footer background in, which is, oops, I didn't copy it, did I? Which is AAA again. Footer background in. Then we got footer background 2, which is still the same thing. Then we got footer text color, which is different. DDD footer text color, and that should be all of those. Yes. And I think I searched these maybe. Okay. admin.php. Here's what I was saying about the PHTML. See, it's basically just HTML, but it's got a little bit of PHP mixed in with it. I'm not very familiar with it, how PHTML is or works. Alright, I don't really see anything interesting. He just changed the structure of it. It was in request.php file, now it's in autoload and admin. It may have been an admin before, but okay. There's nothing to save here. I do need to save this though. And then I will simply say WOWONDER.com and look at all the places he's referencing it. None of these are dangerous, by the way. That's just him saying, I guess for his IDE, or for code quality's sake, who the author is. Alright, now here's where it gets dangerous. So, I mean, it's not necessarily dangerous, but it's a link to a file on his server, and he could change what it does anytime. I typically just comment this whole file out. I'll just select it all, Control/, and it's completely disabled. That's what I'll typically do for that. And right, there's updater. Admin settings. Alright, Android status, Windows status, Android native status. Android purchase code. So he's moved a lot of this stuff around. This all looks fairly new. Android purchase code, Windows purchase code, iOS purchase code. Where's this coming from? That must be an external file. I want this, not that. F empty, so it's only here. Content.html. Well, it was activated last time, so I guess I can just comment this stuff out or delete it one. I think he just pretty much copied and pasted all this stuff like this. Okay, whatever. So that's gone, that's gonna be gone, that's gonna be gone, that's gonna be gone. And those can be gone too. Alright. Verify apps. Alright, hopefully I didn't break nothing. Alright, all that's safe. And that's all commented out. Yep, it's all safe. Alright, let's fix this now. Check for updates. Looks like you've renamed your themes. I feel like this function is broken because even if I don't rename my themes, it says that. Okay. Wait, is this? No, it's not returning anything. Should be safe to just remove it. Okay, that's fixed. Alright, now what's this? Download updates. I wonder if this can be exploited. Get unlimited updates. Probably not. Probably requires a purchase code. I'm gonna spill the beans on something. So me and Troplo, I don't know how you pronounce it, but he's from Australia. He did Fluentity hosting as free hosting, but I don't know if anybody will remember him. He's also a moderator on Best Black Forum and a member of CodeNulls. So basically, right when Pixel Photo first came out, which is one of Dean's latest scripts. So if we search, when Pixel Photo first came out, I shouldn't have done that. I don't know if it's still exploitable, but when this first came out, it was like version 1, I think. Maybe it was 1.1.2. It was something, it was an early version. What I did, I was trying to null it, and this script, he had like some kind of a security certificate, kind of like an SSL certificate inside that would verify the script's authenticity. And what we could do is we could go in and we could just pick somebody that had bought the app, like it says purchased beside of it whenever somebody's making a comment that purchased it. Yeah, purchased. So we could normally type in this guy's name, Heiko. We could type that in along with the URL that he was using for activation. And he had directory listing turned on. He was using Apache web server. He had directory listing turned on, and we could see all the licensing files. So theoretically, we could have probably gotten some of these people banned from using this product by just like contacting this guy and saying, look, this guy leaked this script. Because each build must have been particular to the user once they used that product key. We could see the product keys and everything. And I was messing with Dean because I could actually, I wonder if it's still like this. Let me see if it's still like this. It probably is. May not be, but it probably is. What you could do... yeah, I think he fixed it. Maybe not. Let me get my other browser set up. Chrome Dev. Because I kind of want to know if he's still got it messed up. I don't really care if he fixes it or not. It's kind of funny video I made to tell how to null WOWONDER turned into this. It is what it is. Alright, not now. Chrome Web Store. And we'll do, what was it called? Clear cookies or something? It was like a recycle icon. Cache cleaner maybe? Yeah, cache cleaner probably. No. Chrome clear. Chrome cache clear. Clear cache? Yeah, this is it. Yep. Alright, we will do all this stuff. Because it's a dev browser, I don't need any of it. And we'll say everything automate. Yeah, alright, looks good. Yep. Alright, so let's go Pixel Photo and let's go and open DevTools so it can be logging everything. Yeah, I'll keep it attached right there for now. I want to make it dark though. Okay. Pixel Photo. Live preview. Oh, open a new tab. Network. Clear this. Okay. Yep, it's still here. Look. So headers. This is his purchase code. This is the purchase code right here. So let me see if I can still exploit this. Let's see what the JSON response is. Status success. And that's what, yeah, I mean, that's what it is. Alright, so protector.pixelphotoscript.com loop.php code equals that. Loop.php. Let's see if there's like verify.php. File not found. It looks like let me see if I can get this script because I really want to figure this out. Do they have making a video on it right now. Alright, that's pretty funny. Okay, let's do Pixel Photo. Pixel Photo backdoor. Does Pixel Photo have a backdoor? Because I have a problem with it. My site doesn't show anything. Alright. So we can't help. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. That's not important. Let's go Pixel Photo again. Pixel Photo. I think Savas had it. Maybe. Pixel photo. Yeah. I wonder if he's keeping it updated. Looks like he is. 1.2. Yeah, I think that's the latest version. Doesn't really matter because he hasn't changed it, obviously. Field network error. This will be pretty funny if he hasn't fixed it. May have turned directory listing off though, which in that case would probably prevent me from seeing the files. Alright, script, install, main.js. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright, so he's making an URL. He's saying users, encode user, purchase code, install.js. Oh, so it gets the install script when this happens. Gotcha. Okay, so I gotta get encode URI user users slash, where's the comments? Somebody that's verified. I guess we'll use this guy. Heiko. Seems to me like people that had a username change it didn't work on. Looks like this guy hasn't changed his though. Okay, that user plus encode URI purchase code. Let's see if we can just do this. Oh, he's still got directory listing. There's his purchase code. Here's the dude's purchase code. Yep, right there. There's his purchase code. And it also shows logs. So we can see if it's active. We can see his IP address. Alright, I'm not giving you guys permission to come in and just rape this dude, but just go easy on him. Don't exploit this bug too bad. Hopefully this doesn't get out super hot. Alright, well, we've verified that that works when we construct the URL properly. So all you gotta do, you just say pixel photo users, and you can go down through this page and find anybody that's purchased it like this. Let's see if it works on him. Copy this dude's name. Go ahead and paste it in here. There he is. We can see what domain it's installed on, all that stuff. That's pretty darn funny. Alright, so now let me kind of clean this up. That's really funny. I'm glad I found that. So funny. How can you be so stupid though not to turn directory listing off? Makes no sense to me. Okay, let me delete that back up. And I don't even need this anymore. I'll just delete that. And let's see, did we finish? I think we finished nulling this. So let me go ahead and copy it over to htdocs. Jump, htdocs. Copying. And let me go ahead and let me close this stuff too. Alright. Localhost / phpMyAdmin. It's probably the right directory, or probably the right database too, yeah. Drop. Another thing that's going on with me, I'm pretty sick, honestly, of WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla, and all these other third-party scripts like WOWONDER that aims to do similar things but target a specific area of the market. So what I'm gonna do, hopefully in the next little bit, I'm gonna make some kind of a script similar to WordPress that allows you to not necessarily install external plugins, but that you can use with, I'll make the plugins, and they won't necessarily be plugins, they'll be a part of the plugin, they'll be a part of the main script's core. And I want to really optimize this for performance and make it be really lightweight, optimize the security, make it insanely secure. Because I know that WordPress has a really good development team behind it, but I think they could do better. So I'm trying to make a script like that sometime soon. Localhost. Let's see if this will install. Alright. Whatever. SQL host name. Username. Root. I think it was WOWONDER. Let's see. Yeah, WOWONDER. And http / localhost. Alright. And site name test at whatever.com. Test and test. Looks right. Let's see if it works. Alright, successfully installed. Alright, let's see if this works. So, test. Type that right. Welcome back. And I don't think there's any console errors. Nope. And admin area loads up just fine. 2.3.1. Let's check the apps. Oops, wrong thing. Verify applications. Application verified. And updates. Alright, it's disabled. Change logs. 2.3.1. Alright, so that's basically it. I hope you guys learned something. Maybe got a glimpse into what I'm planning to do in the future. And I will see y'all later.